Hey everyone, today I will show you how to sign out of Instagram on all devices. And here's how it is done. To sign out of Instagram on all devices, you will need to change your password. This forces all devices logged into your account to be signed out. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the hamburger menu, three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Change your password. Scroll to Account Settings and tap Security and Account Access. Select Passwords and Security and tap Change Password. Enter your current password and your new password twice. Tap Save. Force lag out on all devices. After changing your password, Instagram will automatically lag out of all devices. And that is everything you need to know about how to sign out of Instagram on all devices. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.